Hey guys! So to answer the question of what I do, I work for a company called Specialty Pet Products. That company, we are the manufacturer and wholesaler of the pet odor exterminator candles, aerosol sprays, car fresheners, and fabric sprays. So what we do is we sell them out to vets, pet stores, feed stores, groomer, anybody in the pet industry. So we sell them by the case to them, and then they do retail. My specific job is to make sure people have the right fragrances for the season. Do they have displays? Are they displaying their candles right? That way they can raise their revenue. Are they have it the right place in the store? Are they using the marketing materials that I'm sending them? I do a lot of marketing material type things. So if they need something for an email blast, or they want something that they can mail out to their customers, or stuff like that. I also handle with some like accounting issues. So any balances or anything people may have, I will send out invoices, give them a call, get new information, different stuff like that. So I have a lot of roles. Sometimes I work with our manager, so we talk about how we can raise like our new customers, so that way we can get more people to retail them. So how are we going to reach more people, how are we going to get more people wanting these products, incentives, different stuff like that. So I work with them as well. So I do a lot of like prospecting, kind of dipping my feet in the water and see what we can do to get some new customers. So I wear a lot of hats at work, but for the most part, that's all I do.